Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how unboxing review this Spectre Rev 5. As you can see, it's fragile because I need to take back from Indonesia. Yeah, that's quite far away, so they need to put all the fragile things stuff. Flight to Penang, yeah, KL to Penang. This is from Indonesia. Exactly in Indonesia, so let's see the box. Can fly up to 75 feet and 2 blasters attachments, the barrel extension, one focus, the barrel extension, and the folding stock, and 5 that rotating barrel. Plus my stealth blasters. So let's see the top of the box. The Spectre Rev 5 also, the Spectre Rev 5 on the side of the box. This is the side of the box. It's right in Nerf and Spectre Rev 5 too. The reload is huge, blah 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 here. And let's see the other side. Here, this is the Nerf and the retaliator that I have, and this is the person in the back of the box. This barrel extension, elite features, cosmetic stock blaster, 2 blasters attachment, barrel extension, folding stock, fire charge attachment, rotary fire extension blasters. It's two separately. So this is the rotating barrel, tactical reel, and folding stock. This is your build. You also know this the rough guard and rapid strike. Rapid strike is quite cool. Yeah, good to modify. So let's see now inside of the box. What's inside of the box? I'm a killer. Okay, now guys, let's see what's inside the box. Open that down. Oh yeah, barrel. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it. Whoa, it's big, and the box is there. So let's see. I'm ready for this. Born ready. See. Oh my god. Well, sending here, it goes off. While sending there, it goes off like that. Sucks. I hate that. And this is the barrel extension here, and stuff, and the Nerf itself, blaster itself, and it charts 5 charts here. So let's open the box. Let's open it. And let's find out what's here. It's nothing there. It's here, so only here. gotta scratch the attachments behind. Can get up. Okay, done. So yeah, let's go see. So there's the instructions. I like this kind of instruction, like a plastic type instructions. Let's see what's in the check. The Spectre Rev 5. It's the stock and stock full stock. Very small. This is the barrel attachments. You just twist it, blah blah blah, and see. Just pause it now. So let's see what's in the box. So first, I'm just gonna take the stock out. Okay, now here's it. Folding stuff. I'll show you the foldings. Push it in, it will be locked. Push it out. If you pull it out, it will unlock, and you can bend it and fold it like that. So put it aside. So now the barrel attachments, just push this in. Just pull it out. Yeah. As you can see, it's the same inside as all the barrel. Okay, it's quite short, but it's like a new barrel, like a silencer, a real silencer. So see the blaster itself. And just got this off. Okay, so cut and just front this one. Okay, here's time. It's Nerf Spectre Rev 5. Put that aside. There. So let's do Rev 5. And now the darts. Stop. Here, here's 4. Here's 4. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's attach it together. This is the Spectre Rev 5. Shit. This is the barrel, just pushing. As you can see, it's quite hard to push it in, so you need to push it in very hardly. So gently, now push it in. Okay, after pushing in, it's like that. And yeah, you need to twist it. Twist. Okay, done. And now for the stock. Stock back here. So now I'm going to take the stock. Here's the stock. Folding stock. I'm going to fit it in. Click it. Please click. Click. Yes, it clicks. So let's fire shooting. This is only part 1, so part 2 is the next. So bye bye guys.